The designer ceiling raft THERMATEX Sonic Arc from Knauf AMF not only lets architects and designers' imaginations run wild, but also captivates onlookers. Particularly elegant designs can be created using a varying arrangement of concave and convex elements. The use of different colors enables interesting contrast effects. The ceiling raft THERMATEX Sonic Arc is available in convex and concave versions. The dimensions of both versions are identical. For each element, 4 cable hangers are required for fixing to the soffit. The fixing centers are already specified as length A 900 mm and length B 600 mm. The cable holders for the hangers are already installed on the reverse side of the ceiling raft. The fixing points only need to be marked on the soffit in the same ratio A to B. Our tip: make a drilling template with which the individual points can be easily marked. Depending on the type of soffit and fixings used, drilling may be required. The included ceiling mounts feature an M6 internal thread for installation to the soffit. Suitable fixings should be chosen for the specific installation and the type of soffit in consultation with the screw plug manufacturer. A possible example is an M6 bolt. The upper parts of the screw caps are screwed to the installed ceiling mounts. Ensure they are screwed all the way into the stop. Subsequently, the steel cable is threaded into the lower screw cap and the lower part screwed to the upper part. Now, at the latest, a second person is required to fix the ceiling raft. The hanging steel cables are inserted into the pre-installed cable holders on the ceiling raft. The required suspension height can be set by unlocking the clamp mechanism. The suspension height can be checked and adjusted when required. The ceiling raft can be precisely aligned using a spirit level. The rafts should be supported equally through all 4 cables. No loose cables are permitted. The same installation steps apply to both convex and concave ceiling rafts, regardless of the version. There is nothing to stand in the way of a perfect result. You can find detailed installation instructions and further information online at knaufamf.com.